What's up guys, welcome back to virtual reality with another hardware test. I got the Cybershoes now in the complete package, the shoes, the carpet and the chair. So this video will be about a short unboxing, then how to set up it, how to set up the games, how the games are able to recognize the Cybershoes, how I play the game, and of course how much they cost and if they are worth it. So this is gonna be very interesting. My name is Voodoo. You can find everything about VR and AR on this channel. Thanks to my sponsors VoodooDE VR, Opperman Events, Peter Was, Messeronics, Andi Felser and VR Ambassador. Let's have some fun with the video and let's go!
VoodooDE.
Okay guys, let's check out what's inside the box. I already unboxed it, so I can show you what's inside. So first, there's the chair, of course. We have this. This is a really good quality chair. It's a leather here, very nice looking. Feels very good. And from the back side, it's red, and here's black. That looks really awesome. And of course, there's this cylinder. I don't know where we sit and where we can move it up and down with this thing here. So it's mounted under the chair, like you'd know that from office chairs. Then we have a wall mount, so we can attach the cable from the VR headset on the wall. And then we have a lot of cables here. Cables to charge the Cybershoes, 2 micro USB cables, and there's also another, give me a second, another cables. These are 6 cables, and here's the charger. We can charge them both at the same time. Another wall mount. Yeah, that's it for the cables. And then we have this little device here. It says channel left and right, and I think we can control the, I think it's the speed of movement here. I'm not really sure. And it says virtual reality prototype development kit. Okay, that's it for the cables. And then we have the carpet. I can't show it to you here in full size because it's very big. It looks like this here. It also feels very good, to be honest. Very good material for the carpet. The Cybershoes carpet. What I really like is that all the colors are they look like each other. So this is with the chair has black and red and the carpet has black and red. That's really cool. And here finally we have the Cybershoes, of course. This is the most important thing of the package. And yeah, we attach our shoes here, of course. And then on the back side we have this small roll here. And on the side we can, I think we can connect it. Oh, I already activated it. We can attach it here to this device, and yeah, then we can also charge it. Yeah, that's it so far for the package. And yeah, I think let's check out how the software works and what we can set up there with the Cybershoes. Okay guys, and here I set up everything. So the carpet is on the floor, the chair is in the middle, and we are good to go. So take one of your Cybershoes and push the button so it gets a green light and it connects to the box that is already connected to your PC. Same with the other shoe, and then mount it to your shoes like this. And here's a small clicker. It clicks, click, 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 click until it's very tight. And with the other one as well. Here we go. And click. That's very easy. It's very good. And now we are good to go. Put your headset on. Mount it to the wall, of course. And then do not start SteamVR with your mouse. Start it with your controllers. Then choose any game. This is what you need to do. So let's check out how that works. Okay guys, so first thing is that you have to download the app from the page that comes with this this paper here, and then you have to download this Cybershoes software, And when you double click it, then Windows says this could be a dangerous software. This is of course because it's early access. However, you go on agree, of course, and then you install all that stuff. He asks you if this is your correct Steam VR path. If that's true, then say yes. For me, it's true. If not, then choose the right one. And that's it. That's all you need to know about the installation of the software for now. Okay, guys, and before you start any software, any Steam VR or whatever, connect this little device here to a USB port on your PC. Do that, wait a little bit, and then we can continue. Okay, guys, here we are in the first game, and this is Onward, and I just started the game. I didn't do anything, I just started the game, and look at this. It works. It works. And it works pretty accurate, to be honest. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and stop. Look at this, and back, and stop. And forward, and stop. 1, 2, 1, 2. You can really do also very slow steps like this. Look at this. Really nice. Oh wait, I lied to you. There was one thing I had to do. So go to your... Oh wait, let's go away here. This is very loud. However. So the Cybershoes. Here's a little Cybershoes button in your Steam menu. Click on that and go for game hints. And here he already recognized that you are playing Onward. And here's everything you need to set up for this game. So the in-game settings, you have to do the sprint input mode on outer edge. This is very important, otherwise that won't work. Then set the receiver to maximum, calibrate the shoes, activate Z scaling, check bindings, and point gun down when running, of course. So for calibration, we do this here. Look forward and point shoes forward. You have to do that every time you start Steam VR. So let's do that. And activate Z scaling. This is very important. So, and now it works. It works. Look at this. You can even run pretty fast if you like. Look at this. So there's no problem. And stop and then run backwards, forwards, and of course in every direction you want. And it works really accurate. I didn't expect that. And it's very important that you find the correct height of your seat. So here's a small lever on the seat and I can go down, and now it's really exhausting, and I can go up, so up that the game says check your height. So we have to go down again like this or this or this. So find the best position for you so it's not so exhausting for your legs. So in this position it's much better. I mean it's still heavy for the legs. I mean I could never play this 1 hour, then my legs are hurting, I think. This is a problem. I mean this is something for, I would say, half an hour or 20 to 30 minutes. But it works. It works. Look at this. Can even do everything we know from Onward. We can even go here in that room. Look at this. We can even go very slow here. Very slow. Can even go backwards, forward. And it works. So the only thing is here, of course we cannot go down because it doesn't work while seated. So only thing we could do is lean a little bit forward like this and look here. But we cannot lie on the ground. That doesn't work. So we have to stand up from the chair, and this is of course not really useful in Onward. So you will never be able to play like a championship or a really tournament with the Cybershoes in Onward, of course. This is just for fun, playing a little bit with your friends or some, not against pro gamers, I would say. But it works, damn, it works. So this is what you need to know from onward, and this is how you do it every time. Start Steam VR, go to Cybershoes settings, calibrate, follow Cybershoes, and then if the game needs it, activate Z scaling. Then go back, and then you're good to go. Sometimes you have to check out the settings of the controller bindings. For this one, go to the Steam VR menu, go to settings, go to controller settings, and here, look at this. So change the controller bindings for onward, and here you have to choose current controller, Cybershoes controller, of course. Go here, and then we have some community preparations here, and you see that we can use that with Windows Mixed Reality, with Vive, with Oculus, and I use that, of course, with the Index. Here you go. So it depends on your VR headset what profile you choose. So if you go for Oculus, go here, click on Show, and then click on Activate this settings here. So this is what you're gonna do, but I, of course, leave that for Index, of course, because I use the Index. So this is what you need to do sometimes. Isn't that crazy? So cool. Yeah. So the only thing that's really disturbing a little bit is the sound of the carpet. It's pretty loud if I roll my shoes over the carpet. I'm really aware of that all the time. One, two, three. Yeah. So guys, that's it for onboard, and I would say let's try some other games as well. Okay guys, and here's the second game, Arizona Sunshine, and here we had to check out the bindings as well. So for this game I had some problems at the beginning, but that was my fault. It's very important, guys, that you start Steam VR with the controllers, not with the mouse or with anything else. Start Steam VR with the controllers. Otherwise, it will not work. You will not be able to grab something or stuff. And now it works. It's not a problem. And here, as you can see, when we go backwards, he's flipping the direction. So we don't have to turn. Yeah, so here we can walk as well. 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh, wait. I can't go back here. Also, in this game, everywhere you see that you are running too slow, just change the settings on this little box that's connected for your PC, change it to maximum, or if you think you're running too fast, then change it to minimum or something like that. That's really cool. Also, here we can always go to the Cybershoes settings, then go for game hints, and here you see you are playing Arizona Sunshine, and we can calibrate that stuff, and here are the settings that we need to use. So go in the settings in the in-game menu and then change it to these settings. Very important. Also, if you feel like you are not going straight forward here, then calibrate it new. So go to the Cybershoes, then go to calibration, sit upwards, sit in front and put the shoes parallel to each other, and then click on calibrate. That's it. Then you are good to go. So yeah, that's interesting. It's very interesting. You can play that, of course. Very important, guys, in this game as well, activate Z scaling here. This is very important. Otherwise, when I look at this, this is strange because I'm crouching all the time, and this is not good. So always choose activate Z scaling if you feel like you are crouching on the floor. That works. Nice one, nice one. Yeah, guys, so The problem is, it's very exhausting for my legs. So my legs are really hurting when I use that for 10 minutes or what. So I don't think I would play this hours and hours. And this is a problem, of course. So it's accurate, of course. You can really move very slow if you like, and very fast as well. That works. It's much better than with my Gamescom demo. But it's exhausting. It hurts your legs over time. So guys, so you've seen how you can set up that. It's the same with Oculus and Windows Mixed Reality and Pimax, but for then you have to start PyTool or Windows Mixed Reality or Oculus Store first, connect the controllers first, and then start Steam VR. Okay? This is very important. So everything else is the same. Yeah, guys, so let's check out how much that costs and if it's worth it and who should buy it. Okay, guys, the Cybershoes. So it works, and it works good. I have to be honest, I didn't expect that, because I had this little I don't remember the name, this round thing where we have to slide on and also sit. This didn't work, but the Cybershoes work very good. They are accurate, they behave like you would expect, and this is good. Also, the setup is easier than I expected. All of the games worked with all of the headsets, and this is not a problem. But I don't fully understand what is the use of that, because when I want to play seated, this should be very chilling and not really exhausting or stuff. And but this one is exhausting. My legs hurt after 2 or 3 minutes. Of course, you can adjust the height of the seat, and then it gets a little bit better. But I could never imagine to play like 1 or 2 hours with these Cybershoes, because my legs are hurting, my knees are hurting. This is a problem in my opinion. And the next problem is for me the price. So let's check out the station that I have. I have this package here. It's Cybershoes, carpet and chair and all the other stuff. And it's 480 euro. Normally it's even 650 euro. And this is, in my opinion, much too expensive. I would expect like 150 to 200 maximum, absolute maximum. And this is a problem. I really hope they consider the price and go down with the price, or have some more sales or stuff. You can also only buy the shoes and the carpet for 388, but this is double the price than I would expect. Here are some other stuff for arcades and business edition with better carpet, better chair and all this stuff. But all in all, they are too expensive in my opinion. And this is the biggest problem for me. So I love the Cybershoes. They work good. They work like expected. They work accurate, but they are too expensive and they hurt your legs when you play a long time. That's it for now. So guys, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time in virtual reality, guys. See ya.
VoodooDE